Hello everybody, this is Gerd Schnartmann speaking from Rigorous Reviews. Today I'm going to show you how to install the plugin WordPress EasyClone done for you. As you can see here, we are here on a local host machine running a fresh WordPress installation. And here we are going to plugins. This is just one plugin named InstaBuilder. That is a plugin to create web pages, which I'm using. But today we want to integrate and install the plugin of WordPress EasyClone. So we go here to this button and say Add New. You don't care about all the other programs which are to be seen here on this page and go directly to Upload Plugin. And then we have to select a file. And this file is located on my D drive. Just a second. WP EasyClone, and for you. So open it. Here we have to go. So here we do have the corresponding zip file, which is also named WordPress EasyClone version 1. So I double click on this file. Here you see it has been selected now, and now I'm clicking on Install Now. The system gives a feedback that the plugin has been installed successfully. And now what we have to do is to push this button here where it says Activate Plugin. So here you can see that the WordPress EasyClone plugin is already integrated into the plugins folder. And in addition to it, on the left-hand side, we see another menu item, which is labeled WP EasyClone, which is offering three functions. One is export, one is import, and one is backups. Let us just recap. What we have done until now was to install under plugins the WordPress EasyClone plugin. And the WordPress EasyClone plugin is also to be found here at the left-hand side under WordPress EasyClone, where it is offering us three functionalities: export, import, and backups. Let's first look into the menu item backups. This is a user interface of backups. And let's first say we want to make sure that backups are done on a regular basis. And within this sub-menu, we see the offering to do the backups on an hourly basis, once a week, once every 2 weeks, and once a month. I will go and select once weekly and click Done. I personally think that under normal circumstances, a backup on a weekly basis would be sufficient. So, and now we can say we would like to create a backup by pushing this button here, create a backup. So, and now we say export file. That means the system is now creating a file, a backup file in the size of 66 megabytes, which could later on be used by the import function of WP EasyClone to restore this file on another machine, on another server, another PC, destination PC. I say close and go back to backups. And here I see that this backup was done. a minute ago. It has 666 megabyte, and we can download it here via this button, and we can restore it via this button, and we can delete it via this button. First thing which we would like to do is download this special file which has been generated, which could be later on used to import. So way down here we see that the file has been downloaded. I'm looking up where the file is located. I see it here. I right click, and then I cut it, and then I will transfer it into this WP EasyClone review. I right click, and then I say paste, and here we have our latest file of the current state of our WordPress site named WP EasyClone done for you. Now let's go back to our plugin. What we have done until now was doing a backup, but we can also do we can also do an export by clicking on this button here, and user interface opens up, and we say, okay, export file. The system is running. Okay, nothing has changed so far as the file size is concerned, because we don't have added or deleted anything out of our WordPress installation. I say close, and then I look up again in the backups file, and here's the third one, exactly this file, what we have currently generated. Again, with the three possibility, either to download, or to restore, or to delete the file. So now let's go to the import part of the WP EasyClone. And we say here the system is asking you to drop a file, import a file. And as we are recalling, we have put this file in this WP EasyClone review folder, and it was this file. And you see the system is working, and the progress bar was to be seen. Now some checkings are being done, and then there's another secure information. Please have a backup of your data before proceeding to the next step, because the file which we have uploaded now will override an existing file which might already exist on the targeted computer. We are sure that we have made a backup, so we are clicking here on proceed. System is going on and checking certain things, restoring files, and all the necessary stuff which is to be done in case of a restore. And now, voila, your data has been imported successfully. And here another warning saying, okay, permalink settings should be saved. Click on this button here, and then you come back to the permalink settings of your WordPress installation, and make a copy of this page here so that you have any information concerning the permalinks. Yeah, that's all what is to be mentioned to WP EasyClone. I can only say that I've used it successfully, have never had a hiccup using this program. 100% clones were already be done by the system, which were to be used on the spot. There's a clear indication that this program, with its feature functionality and easy to use interface, is definitely a program which I recommend to other people, ranging from nerds to newbies.